how to set up and use mobile hotspot on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. This video will help you on how to set up and use the mobile hotspot feature on Android devices. So let's dive right in. Open up your settings and then tap on connections. Now you'll see mobile hotspot and tethering. Tap on it, and for this you'll need to toggle on your mobile data. So swipe down your notification bar from the right side, and then there you'll see two arrows, that is the mobile data option. Tap on it, and once it's toggled on, you can see that the mobile hotspot and tethering will also be toggled on. Now you just have to toggle on your mobile hotspot, and then your device will be available to other people, and then other people can also use your hotspot. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.